Tribet NBC500GF Portable Split Gas Shielded Welding. Current regulation. Our characteristic adjustment. VOLTAGE regulation. Solid core, wire selector switch, function selection. Far near, control selection. Welding wire diameter size selection. 2T for T switching. Wire feeder current regulation. Wire feeder voltage regulation. Wire check button. Install the wire feeder cable. 6-core control line. Trachea tighten. Welder cable installation. Connect to carbon dioxide gas. Ground wire installation. Install a welding gun. Install 1.2 welding wire. Press and hold the wire detector button to increase the current and quickly discharge the wire. Adjust the voltage and current to the matching value. Welding demo. Switch manual welding. Connect the welding handle. Select the proximity control and adjust the current. Manual welding demonstration.